But another good set of numbers that came in were from Prestige Estates. Irfan Razack, the chairman of the company, joins us now to talk more about that. Mr. Razack, good morning. Congratulations on a good set of numbers. I just wanted to ask you, you have had many new launches and pre-launches in this quarter. What kind of average realizations are you expecting to see in the next couple of quarters? This time around, the realizations have gone up to 6,200 rupees per square feet. Do you think you could do better than that in the quarters to come?
Good morning. Actually, the realization is a function of what type of project I launch at what time. This time, this current quarter, April to June, we pre-launched Falcon City, and that is what really gave us a much higher average realization. And probably now, even in current quarter, we have lined up a few launches that will have a mix of everything else. So maybe this average price realization may continue and will continue.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Razack. Can you tell us what is the mood in terms of sales pickup? You have done a decent 14.6% rise in total new sales. How much does this quarter offer and next quarter? If you can read the pulse of the demand as well as give us an indication of what's on offer from your end.
Yeah, demand is pretty robust, and if you look at the quarter gone by, 1,400 crores plus is by no means less sales. In fact, we had at the beginning of the year given the guidance of 5,000 crores for the year, and we've done almost one-third of that, and that itself keeps us confident. And I think even this current quarter is going to be as good as the quarter gone by, and if not better.
Okay. What are the projects that will come in for revenue recognition in the quarters to come, and what could the quantum be that you might realize?
Yeah, that's another good positive thing. You see, now in the last quarter, not many projects got recognized, new projects, but going forward, since the execution is on a much faster track, I believe the next 3-4 quarters we'll have a lot of projects getting recognized. Now, for me to enumerate each one of them will be difficult, but I believe there's quite a number of them that are waiting to get recognized, and that's going to again add up to the top line itself, to the revenues.
This 15% increase in your new sales in the quarter gone by would be bettered considerably. What is an average that we can expect for the remaining 3 quarters?
I would go with my guidance. Of course, we should exceed our guidance, and that's normally we keep a stiff target for ourselves, and we go for it and try to achieve that, and we are on track to achieve that, and not only achieve that, surpass that.
The only niggling worry, Mr. Razack, is the rise in interest cost this quarter. I mean, it's up almost 50% year on year. What's the debt situation currently, and what efforts are you making to reduce your interest cost run rate? In
fact, if you look at debt, I think this quarter the debt has come down. It's just flat. There's no increase in the debt at all. And interest also, I believe, is if you're looking at the price of the average cost of debt, it's almost the same. It's not any change. I mean, let's see what happens in the RBI policy tomorrow. If there's probably there's some sort of a direction where it can go down, it will help us. But I think even otherwise, the cost of money is probably among the realty firms we have got the least. That is the cheapest that we've got.
Okay. A final question. Are you all any close to having a REITs issued at all?
No, I mean, we are not close to having a REITs issue, but then REITs is something on the radar always since the enabling provisions have come. But still, there's a lot more clarity that needs to happen, a lot more enablers have to take place. And I believe that there's an opportunity. REITs will be an opportunity, and it's something that which will help us also monetize in a large way, and also build up new assets. See, because REITs, what it does is, it has 3 effects. One is gives an opportunity for the small-time investor who today is buying starter sales into my property to actually buy into a REIT and get the same excitement of having participated in real estate. number one. Number two, it gives us the additional cash flow and less dependence on debt.
Yeah.
And that helps us to build larger assets and a bigger portfolio.
That's a fair point, sir.
Okay.
Well, I know we will, closer to time, perhaps discuss about REITs with you. Thank you very much for joining us with those details.